So this is possibly the most embarrassing video I will ever make. I will say I'm going to be using a lot of safety products for, PPE. I'm going for it. There's just too many chemicals in here. First one I'm going to go with is a mixture of Dawn detergent, liquid, dishwashing liquid, and isopropyl. Those are 1-to-1, and then 2 parts water. The middle section I'm going with is just something I picked up at the store. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm rooting for it because it would be infinitely easier just to pick it up, spray it on, and the day is done. But it also sent me back like $8, so.
Yeah, she's cheap. Cheap lady.
Ooh, this one stays.
Not good.
The last method I'm going with is tried and true. Just mixture of this, into a paste with water. I'm kind of rooting for this one because it is so simple, but it also is a little bit messy to clean up. In the end, which one was the winner? Not me. Yeah, sometimes you just have to accept that your grout is shot and you're gonna have to re-grout your bathroom. Yeah, that's gonna be my next video, so you might want to click subscribe to see what a hot mess, how that turns out. Now, as for these 3 cleaning products, the first one and the third one are my 2 favorites. The middle one, while they all 3 work, the middle one, it's just too expensive, and mainly the fumes. It just was horrible. So definitely off my list. The first one, it was great, except for when I realized that it took a lot of rinsing to get the dishwashing liquid off, that I kind of like, if I had done this anywhere other than a shower where I could easily hose things off, that might be a bit frustrating. So I guess that makes the borax the clear winner. I will say it's a little bit on the messy side.
Operator error.
Because a wet dry vac, you can kind of suck up everything there is. But I was focused on just doing the shower area, and yet, like throughout the rest of the bathroom, and sprinklings of borax everywhere. So that was kind of annoying.
But you were sloppy.
Yeah, it worked great, and it really, pennies to the dollar or whatever.
Frugal.
Yeah, it was pretty great that way. So there you go. I hope this helped, and thank you for watching The Asking Spot. All right, I can't believe I'm doing this, but yeah, this is my bathroom, my shower. Now, I can't claim all of the grossness that's going on here because we aren't the original owners of this house, but come on, we've lived here 5 years and I'm only now getting to it.